Hello friends, I am Casey Carter, aka La Catwoman, and welcome to my channel. Today I am styling this dress from day to night. So I decided to go with this dress because it is a cute mini sundress. I got this from Adore Me and I actually made it shorter because it came up to about my knees and I wanted it more like a mini dress. I love it because it's so cute, so light, and perfect for the summer. If you want to check out Adore Me, use my code LACATWOMANOG19 to get your first set for $19.95. Now, let us style this dress for the daytime. Styling is all about how you accessorize and layer your clothes. Because I am wearing this during the day, I don't plan on adding any more layers because number one, it is hot in California and I want to be comfortable and cute out in the sun. So first things first, I am going to fix my hair. During the day, I just want to be comfortable, not worry about having a bad hair day. So I am going to put my hair back into a very low ponytail. I'm going to leave a little bit of my bangs and tie the rest back. Next, I have this two cute little bows. It's just to add some cuteness to our outfit. For my accessories, I decided to go with something light for the daytime. For my shoes, I decided to go with this white snakeskin espadrille sandals. It's no secret that espadrilles are perfect for the summer, and I picked white to match my accessories. These sandals are so comfortable and easy to walk in, and that's why it's perfect for the daytime. To finish off this look, we need a bag to carry our goodies, and I am picking my MINION bag. Daytime is for fun and things that aren't too serious. That is how I'm styling this dress for the daytime. Now let us style it for the night. So I took my daytime accessories off and now let us style this dress for the night. First off, hair. And for the nighttime, I'm using this red headband. Next, I am matching this headband with this choker. I love this choker. It is so cute, but also so edgy, which is what I want to feel when I'm out at night. I want to feel badass. Fun during the day, kicking ass at night. I love how it looks like thorns. Out to break your heart in the nighttime. Next up, tights. This is my secret to turning this dress into a night look. I love this because of the seam on the back. I think it adds a vintage touch and also a flare of sexiness. And now for some shoes. So my tights accidentally ran, but it's totally okay because we are going to keep it for the added edge for tonight. For shoes, I'm going with this because they are just so badass. I love booties and they are so comfortable and I feel secure when I'm wearing them, which is perfect if you're going out dancing. You want to feel secure and comfortable in your shoes. And to finish off this night look, we need some gloves. Wearing black to match my tights. And lastly, we are not keeping these sleeves up this time. For the nighttime, we are letting them down. And that's how I'm styling this dress for a night look. So remember, you can style any outfit from day to night. It all depends on your accessories, your hair, your shoes, your makeup. If you like this video and you want to learn how to be more confident in your clothes and style them with ease, go hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.